Hello and welcome to another video. I never seen something like that in my life. Chicken alien? God damn it! The video was filmed in India by a group of ship work that they are freak out. God damn it, what the hell is this thing? In my opinion, this is humanoid alien. Alien, they change a face and they go into animal, they go into other creature just to make us, like, what the hell is going on? Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this creature? Thank you for watching my video and I will see you next time with another video.